What's good and how's your day going? I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper, and in this video, I'm going to give you something you'd usually have to pay for in one of my bigger masterclasses. In this circumstance, it's YouTube music promo and Spotify music promo bundled into one. I'm going to give you a little secrets today. I'm actually going to show you 5 sneaky Spotify listener hacks using Instagram.
Because my heart is so big.
Remember, we start with YouTube and other platforms, and that's how we grow to Spotify, okay? These are going to help you today. And I'm giving you this free video out of this masterclass to nurture our relationship and show you the type of stuff that I have in these masterclasses that are filled, packed with tons of information that's straight to the point, unlike these videos, so I have to explain to you why certain things, and this is straight to the point. That's why the masterclass is just teach you a lot faster. At the end of this video, you get your free cheat sheet, how to market your YouTube, and your 22 Spotify hacks, 100% free. Enough talking from me, I talk too much, but let's get into that video for my masterclass. All right, now let's talk about how to use your Instagram link to get yourself more Spotify followers and how to get really people just to get through that to your music, okay? Let you know this real quick. If you have a release and you want to push everybody to Spotify, it is not a bad idea to directly link people to the playlist itself. There's no click through, there's no landing page. People don't have to make a decision. They know where they're going. They can see it's to Spotify, and a majority of people use Spotify, okay? So here I'm using a link tree, but I'm actually about to change it. I'm gonna switch over to using another service because it's cheaper and actually has more ability than Linktree. Linktree costs more money. They're raising their prices because like, oh, we're the best or we're the most known. So they're raising their prices. It's like, I don't play with that. Even if it's $2 a month, like stop raising prices and having less features. I'm petty like that. I'm like, if you're gonna be petty, I'm gonna be petty back. So I'm moving to another one. All I have to do is switch over the links. Take me 10 minutes. I'm saving money, right? And you can too, because instead of it being $7, $8, they're gonna keep raising the prices. You can get it for $5. Wow. Now it may not seem like a lot of money, but that adds up. And at the same time, the other place has more features. If you want to use the one that I use, and I'll show you how to set it all up, it's musicindustryshortcut.com/CIB. Okay, now what we're gonna do is you're pretty much gonna set the other one up the same exact way. What we're gonna do is go in here and look at this. Okay, what's great about having these is you get to make and put another bio inside of your bio. Okay, so reutilize this. Okay, so it tells a little bit of my story. Mom left, dad died, homes, homeless shelters, jail, 30 jobs. What's your excuse? Okay, that's the exact amount of characters you're able to use. Okay, got to make them believe, and then inspiration. Come on. Okay, in case they didn't know more of my story, it's there. Check this out. Now I want to tell you as a super tip. Okay, super tip. Your sync and licensing contact information needs to be in the bottom of your bio immediately, because if somebody wants to license your music, they want to give you some money, and they can't contact you, or it doesn't look like you know anything about sync, or you don't have a sync contact. That's a problem. That's a big problem for you. Okay, you need to understand that because you're losing money. Also, labels see you as more professional. I watch seminars and everything like that from people who do sync and licensing, and they said we'll often want to reach out to an artist, but if they don't look professional or we can't get their sync and licensing contact, we're in a hurry, or we're on a deadline and we're trying to license their music and they don't freaking answer, we can't get a hold of them because they don't have that contact in their bio. And when they said that, I was like, damn, right? Because even I didn't, but I keep learning. Like, you have the ability to contact me. I assume somebody's gonna DM me, right? But they may not. This clearly is somebody who does sync and licensing at a major label said that.
Oh God.
Really quick, if you can hit that subscribe button for me, I really appreciate it. Growing this channel allows me to help more artists like you and me so that we can keep getting further, faster together. That's it, let's get back to the video. So next, think about this, right? I put new music next to everything, and then you can put a little emoji, lets them know it's new. Like, make it look like it's new. I noticed that this works way more for click-throughs if you put new music next to it, because if not, it just looks like you're linking to a song that could be like 3 years old, right? So here, Screw True Story, 11 million views.
God damn.
Okay, people are clicking this like crazy. My click-throughs on this are really crazy, and it's because it's showing social proof. Okay, and then new music. Okay, new music, and then for this one, it's not necessarily new because it's like 6 months old, but it does have, actually now it's at 1.6 million, right? So I gotta update that. But here, right there, people are clicking that like crazy too because it shows the social proof. So you don't want to have too many. Realistically, I probably should remove 2 of these, but these music videos are so good, and I also got to promote the new one, and this one's doing so well, and this one's so good. I mean, you're always gonna love your music, but don't have too many. What I have 7 here. It's okay. Also, you can always edit this as well. You can edit your profile picture. I actually used to have a background on here, but I decided to change that background to make it more simplistic so that nothing is taking away from the visual directly in front of them to make a decision. So there you have it for doing that. Again, musicindustryshortcut.com/CIB if you want to use the cheaper one. That's only $5, okay? Because like, it's just, I mean, if you're not using Linktree, you're not paying for it already, just start off by using the other one. It's cheaper, has way more ability. I mean, a whole bunch of new features that are really cool that Linktree does not have. They're so behind on stuff. They took forever to put the video in the thing, all kinds of stuff. So anyway, musicindustryshortcut.com/CIB. Let's keep going in this masterclass. I got you. All right, now that was a free video from my YouTube Ads Masterclass. It also comes with Spotify Masterclass, teach you how to do everything at once. You grow YouTube and Spotify at the same time. And that's what I show you how to do. Link is below for that. And if you don't want it, you just want to see a little bit more information, free cheat sheet below. I'm gonna give you 2 cheat sheets, the YouTube cheat sheet, and I'm gonna give you the 22 Spotify hacks cheat sheet, okay? They're both yours. Just tell me where to send them. Link is below. Or go to musicindustryshortcut.com/hookup, all right? Because I'm gonna hook you up. I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. Hit me with a subscribe. Hit me with a like. I hope this helps you out. Keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top.
I've been breaking, flipping shit all day. Try to break it, shit to flip it all day. Chop it, break it down and flip it all day. Chop it, break it down and flip it all day.